In this video, we will talk about how you can get a band or anniversary rating 5 out of 5. Anniversary rating means once you join TCS, after 1 year, you will get some rating, that is anniversary rating. After that, you will get always band, that is A, B, C. So how you can get a band in that? Before starting this video, please like this video. If you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button so you will get all the notification. I promised you last time I will come up with this video, so this video is here. And one more thing, you please watch this video till end. It's a really good video, and in this video I will tell you in detail how you can get a band or 5 out of 5 rating. So please watch this video till end. Let's start. There are few points. We will discuss all the points in detail one by one. So first point is, in whatever project you are working, you should know each and every flow of the project, how data is flowing. If it is a development project, what is the flow and how the things are going. You should know each and everything related to that project. Or you are in different project, then you should have a clear picture and what is the output, what is the input of the project, all thing you should know. And one more thing, you should update yourself with a latest technology. If your project is using a AWS or Python or big data, then you should learn all these things. You should have a you should always learn new technology according to your project demand. So you should know all these things. One more thing you should know, if in your project new flow, new technology or anything new is introducing, then you should know each and everything related to that process, means from development to the deployment till go live. So you should know each and everything related to your project. It's a next point, and it's a very important point because it's related to projects. Means whatever task is assigned to you, that task should be completed on time. Means you need to done your work anyhow. You need to get it done before timeline. If you will miss any timeline, it definitely it will impact. So you should get it done your work within the timeline. You don't need to do anything extra, like you don't need to extend your working hour. If you are doing your work on time, then no one will raise you a question. So work smartly and no one will raise a question and no one will ask any question if your work is completed on time. It's a last but most important point. Means I will tell you, if you are less active, whatever I mentioned before, but you will follow this point, then your chance will be like 99% and 100% chance that you will get 100% A band or 5 out of 5 rating. Means if you are less active in above points, so you can do this point. At least you should do external certificate in every year. You should do at least one external certificate. It will definitely impact. So I did in my last 2 year, I completed external 2 certificate, and every time I got A band or 5 rating. So certificate is really impacting. So if you will do any certificate related to the new technology related to the project, then definitely your chances high to get A band or 5 out of 5 rating. And there is one more thing, if you are not doing any certification, then also no issue. If you are doing work on time, you are not missing any timeline, you are doing your work on time, and you know each and every flow in your project, and you are learning new thing, then certificate is not that much mandatory. Certificate is mandatory when you are less active, whatever I discussed before. I know few colleagues, those who didn't completed the certificate, but they got 5 out of 5 rating or A band so many times, because they are doing our work smartly and they know each and everything related to the project. So it's your wish what you want to do. So it's up to you only how you will move. If you have any query, you can mention in comment section, and you can reach out to me directly using the social media. My LinkedIn account is mentioned. So you can reach out to me directly if you have any question, and if you will do a comment, I will definitely reply. So you can ask me any questions. And if you are new to this channel and you didn't subscribe this channel yet, so please hit the subscribe button. So thank you.